The Dumaguete sign in the morning. The nuns played a part in the history of Dumaguete. Let's go to the Dumaguete City Public Market. Negros South Road or Perdices Road is very busy. Ito ang Dumaguete City Public Market. There were a lot of fresh and big fishes and squids for sale. Ito naman ang mga painitan sa Dumaguete City Public Market. Ito, 15 pesos isang pares. Ito, 30 pesos bawat pares. Ito, 1 dozen. Ito, 4 lang.
4 lang.
Oo, 4 lang.
Iwalay lang.
Lagyan ng tsokolate ang mga puto maya. Saturday night, we went to St. Catherine Cathedral, the renowned cathedral of Dumaguete City, to have our anticipated Mass. Across the cathedral is Quezon Park. There were many activities that day: biking, chess, paddleball, and even arnis. Meron ding monumento kay Rizal. We went to the Dumaguete sign along Rizal Boulevard at night where the sign is colored. For dinner, we went to Dumaguete's famous Joe's Chicken and Ato, conveniently located beside our hotel. We had a big bowl of lomi, chicken and ato, and halo-halo, sarap, and busog. Ay nako, ang ganda ng aming tour ng Siquijor, 3 days, ng Dumaguete City, 2 days, at ng Oslo, 1 day. Sana nasamahan nyo kami, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa aming video. Okay, hanggang sa susunod na bakasyon, punta na kami ng airport. Until then, until the next time, bye-bye for now. Let's go!